People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, as them say, you never see smoke without fire, right? Now, after the whole scamming thing turned St. James and Montego Bay in particular into a ghost town and make funeral homes down there get rich, it seemed like say the same is about to happen to Kingston, because Kingston seems to be on the verge of a scammer war. People, last week there were 3 major killings, right? Especially as it relates to the news and what's at the forefront of the news. And I covered 2 of them. The first one that triggered off everything was the youth from Mobay named Pablo Dunn, right? And of course, you probably saw that video, right? Died in his Mercedes Benz over there near the Washington Gardens community. And then 2 days after, we hear say Michi, right, and girl, right, end up lose fear of life. They found her about 10:45 in the night down there by the waterfront. As I said in my previous video, my name stuff her up in the back of one car, and people, it was really, really not a pretty sight, right? But the whole triple shooting, or well, quadruple, 4 end up get shot, 3 lost their life, surrounding the up top camp. At first, I wasn't going to cover it until I start get information say they're all actually linked. Because remember, people, hopefully you would have seen the Pablo Dunn video, then the Michi video making you know say fear that linked to Pablo Dunn dead. Well, now we're tying in the 3rd major incident, and that actually went down the same Thursday where Michi lost her life, right? This one actually happened Thursday evening. People, stay with me. Watch this now. See, down there on Rosalie Avenue, that's down near Mall Road side, so Kingston 11, a youth named Romario Wallen, aka Grimy Boss, or Up Top Grimy, right? Another youth named Philip Lewis, aka Afroman. Them 2 youth there, right? They were with 2 other individuals. One of them named Snow Up Top on Instagram, right? And Snow Up Top end up lose fame life as well. Initially, it was just Grimy and Afroman, right? Snow was in the hospital battling for his life. He didn't end up making it, so only one of them ended up surviving. But understand this, people. This is all tying in to the same scamming thing, right? There's an element of wrong place, wrong time, because they don't know the man didn't necessarily come for all 4, right? Because all 4 involved in the scamming, right? But you know how them things they go. You know how Jamaica work already. You know 87's work. The man them pull up on the corner, the phone or par, and the man them pull up and catch you don't know everybody will get it, right? So right now, the up top camp is in turmoil, right? But people, watch this now. We're even getting reports. So you see a little thing they will go down in a Waltham with Mr. Innocent? People, listen man, I'm telling you. Don't worry, we'll tell you so we are cook. Just think of me as a chef in the kitchen right now. We are cook up the details, people. Because we are get to understand, say all of that connected. All of that connected. Mr. Innocent down there in Waltham, Black Road and all these things. People, the connection is there. The connection is there. We make a focus on Michi, Pablo Dunn, and the triple murder down there in Rosalie Avenue, right? Now, of course, you already know, as I've said, these youths linked with TJ, right, from out Ramesh Entertainment Camp.
Bubble your body for the up top boss. Hey, Sirpy, that tune bad still na Sirpy. Tune bad man, hey. Every time me that tune me just squeeze short on my 4-5. Get it, Sirpy? 3, 4, 5. Hey, me bad still no. Full of style na Sirpy, me full of style.
Tune bad, yes. But guess what, even worse? What this is going to lead to down the road. People, I've already said, you see what the scamming thing do to St. James. You see what it do to Westmoreland. You see what it do to Hanover. People of Kingston and St. Andrew, listen. We can't afford to make this side of the country end up caught up in this madness. we already have enough issues, right? I mean, I talk to the man them, the artists them, when you keep a par around in certain people, I telling you, and if you know what to do, because remember, a stage show on the work on, right? And some of the man them on a par with, right? When you love surrounding yourself with the man where we link over yes and man a bust this and man a lock off them can listen. Some of the artists out there, when you look soon run out. When you look soon run out. Right? And nobody feels like you have your money, you're safe. Nobody feels like you have your money and you have 2 links and you have some bad man friend on the wall time and you have some bad man, some bad man police. Listen, when I play with fire, when you see we're scamming the St. James, right? All of this, all the flexing, all the balling, listen, life cut short. Just like that, right? Because them 2 youth we see from in the picture, I think the one who stand up on the car top, I think he's the only one who survive, right? But Grimy gone, Afro gone. I think Afro's actually going to get involved in the music himself, start produce or something like that. Him gone, right? Snow gone, right? People, you know if you understand, this is no joke. This is no joke. And when you see how fast the thing them fall back on each other, right? Pablo on Tuesday, Michi Thursday, 3 man gone, same Thursday. And as I say, the Waltham thing, people, this Waltham thing, I can't believe Cockburn Pen people have the audacity to tell you say that brother innocent, right? I mean, what am I saying? Of course, I shouldn't expect any better. But people, really, that brother, the more and more me get to find out who him is and the kind of things that he's been up to. Anyway, as I say, people, I couldn't know where I'm going with that. But just one of the people in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, right? Corporate era, more the security forces understand to listen. Don't get catch off guard. Don't end up like Mobile when it's too late. When you can see the thing a brew, right? When you can see the thing a bubble, right? And it soon starts spill over on the side. All of these shootings, there's going to be retaliation. That's just how the game work, right? Man, I go back go do Batman this, and man, I go here say, you did call the man out in yard, and you did call Michi and tell her to come meet you, because that's how them get Michi and people. Then call her and tell her to come meet her, and come meet them somewhere, and she go there. God, see, I already know so smart way she know that, right? Because this business, you see the scamming business, just like normal badness, it's a friend killing business. A stranger now come for you. These are all people who were at one point either friends or at least business so associates, and things go wrong as a scamming thing work, right? 1 minute man a friend, next minute man tell man to yo collect this to me. Didn't get what him forget and man gone missing. Or man tell man say alright, collect this to me I come feet and on your way to collecting it, a man lay away to you and take your life. This is how it works. Now I don't know if the Beamer and the champagne and the little lifestyle where you get for your 1 year is worth it, it's up to Uno. I don't know what Uno involved in a life, but as I say, if them thing if them thing mean everything to Uno and the little 1 and 2 year when they get out of it, because that's what most man get. Most man are going to scamming. I really want 1, 2 years, 3 years max. Very few get a long term run, right? If it worth it to Uno, if you go out like this, then fine. It's up to Uno. But it's a big stay far from innocent people. I mean, I'm telling the people of Jamaica, only need for distancing yourself from these people. Only need for distancing yourself. All this, nobody make the man they run about him because you see him have a bag of money and he must scam and things are going for him and you say, yeah man, live a life. When the man come for him, they will come for you too. Nobody feel say the man will pull up and catch up and they come for one scammer and then come and see him and them say, oh, you want a scammer? Alright, you can go on no man, so it work. You're good on a duff cut too. Right? And listen, there it was. See the man in there, pan top of Beamer, lean up on car, living the good life. I mean, I don't know what the hell. Is this like a uniform for scammers? Let me just briefly touch on that. Is this, all the man of them pants, is this a uniform for scammers? Is this like, listen, first of all, let me put this out there. For those of you who don't know, if you haven't watched my interview with a mobile scammer and the video I did on the youth named Bebe, if I know a man take a beer, understand this. You see that youth named Bebe? Back in the day when he was alive, before he bust the man and scam him, he used to bust them. People of Jamaica, let me say that again. Before Bebe used to bust the man and scam him, he used to bust them up. if you get to me I say. So when you see certain, enough of the man them want to see boy you floss and I go on the most way, enough of them scammer, especially they come from St. James on them side, understand say man touch them up. Enough of them man touch them. That's why them have them look good. Just note it, there's a general look to a scammer. There's a general look to a scammer. Right? Enough of them. I'm not saying all because enough of them break off and learn the trade for themselves, but enough of them, most of them, especially one of them from St. James who come up on that baby time, if you get a boss, then get a boss. Right? So again, I don't know if as man, when you think them that if them think they're worth it, if the 2 year where you get out of hype and the 2 year driving on Bima worth having one man a rider like one champion jockey out of Cayman and Spark, then it's up to you. And listen, I'm gonna tell the woman them right now. Enough of the woman them we date them man, yeah, right? Enough of them scammer, yeah. I'm not even trying to cut no joke right now. No found no. If you go down to the doctor, I'll get to the blood run and get some results, come back, get a checkup. Because enough of them man, yeah, them man go both ways. Enough of them man, as me say, other man that ride them before then give them the info and give them the knowledge and the lead sheet and everything there. Don't scammer. So enough of them man, yeah, I get things on them man and I pass it on to Uno. But hey, don't, as me say, I'm sure it's going to tell me say my bad mind, even though I true me I talk. So it's up to Uno, right? This is the lifestyle you choose to live. And as them say, if you lay down with dog, you catch fleas. And if you make a bed, lie night. So people, I'll be keeping a close eye on the situation. Because the movement wasn't around when the whole scamming thing did that blow up Montego Bay, right? But even though we could have said the seeds them get stolen and it will grow on the place that will broke out, of course, as I said, that wasn't around. But now, they are now, right? So now, see me, see the little seeds them I get sown at the carpet area, and I see me little conflicts them I trigger off one by one. Man I get take out there, so man I get take out there. So people, I'm keeping a close eye on it. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.